As a content creator, I want that whenever a new comment is posted on my YouTube videos, like I receive thousands of comments every single day, I want a record of all the comments in one single spreadsheet with the name of the person who have posted the comment, the ID of the video on which the comment is posted, and the comment itself, so that I can know what's the engagement, what's going on my channel. I can have the systematic record of all the comments that is there. But adding the details from YouTube to Google Sheets manually is a very time consuming part. So what I've done is, instead of that, I've created this setup that automatically adds the engagement on my YouTube channel directly in my Google Sheets. And this is the one automation that every YouTube creator needs so that they can know the engagement going on, not by going back and forth with the channel, but just by one systematic record. So without wasting any time, let me show you first how this setup is actually going to work. I'm going to post a new comment of this on this video of mine in front of all of you, that is beautiful snow view. I will post this comment right here. As soon as this comment is posted, if I'm going to open my spreadsheet, it will take few minutes for the response to arrive. So I will wait over here and then I'll show you how automatically the record of the same comment is created in my Google Sheets. So I will wait and show you. And you can see within few minutes the response has been captured. This is the ID that has posted the comment. You can see right over here. With that, this is the video. If you don't believe me, if I'll open this video on the URL itself, this is the video ID. You will see it's the same ID and the comment is beautiful snow view. So as now you can see right over here, the response of this comment that was posted on my YouTube channel is automatically created as a record in Google Sheets. This is how this entire setup actually is going to work. Now whenever on your YouTube channel in any of the videos the comment will be posted by any of the viewers, automatically will see all the comments will be kept as a record in Google Sheets. So now, if you want to learn how you can create this setup for your business as well, for that I will take you towards my screen. Now what we are going to do is, we are going to use the automation tool Pabbly Connect to create this setup. If you want to access this software as well for your business or for your content creation journey, on a new tab on your computer, search for pabbly.com/connect. You will come to their landing page just like this. Now if you're logging in for the first time, sign up for free from here. You will receive 100 free tasks every single month. Using the tasks, you can create the setup with me right away absolutely for free. Test out Pabbly Connect's features and everything without paying any cost. And then if you like using Pabbly Connect and you want to use their other accessible features, you can purchase their yearly or one-time deals. The coupon code on the left side of my screen will help to get additional discounts on top of the existing ones on this channel. So go ahead, purchase the yearly or one-time plans of Pabbly Connect, get the unlimited access and test this amazing automation tool right away. Now I've already logged in and I have created the template for this particular workflow. Now if you want to use the template that I'm using in this video, you can check out the workflow link. It's free to use in the description section. My trigger is YouTube new comment on the channel. To create the connection between YouTube and Pabbly Connect, click on the connected option. Go to add new connection, sign in with Google. Select the account with the help of which you have created a YouTube channel from here. And then it is asking for the access of the account, for which click on this allow button, as this is a safe process and my data is completely safe with Pabbly Connect. Now we need to select the channel where you want to capture the response of all the new comments. I have created the channel in the name of test channel, so I'll select the channel from here. I want one comment at a time, so I'll write maximum results as one right here, and then simply have to click on the save and send test request button. The last comment that was made on your YouTube channel will be captured in the response. So what I will do is, in front of all of you on a new reel, so let's suppose not reel, sorry, on a new YouTube short, I will post a new comment. So this is the short right here. I will post a new comment over here. Let's suppose my comment is, so this is my comment, nice mountain view, I love the video. I'll post this comment over here on this video. As now this comment has been posted from my side, I'll go back and click on the save and send test request button, and you will see that same comment is going to be captured in the response right here. If I'll scroll down, you can see this is the same comment. It's from the demo account from where we have posted. You can see it's right here with all the other details. So as now the response has been captured successfully of the comment in this response, trigger, this means that YouTube is connected to Pabbly Connect. Now, there is one thing, YouTube is a polling based application. You can see over here it says the trigger will check for the new data in 10 minutes. In every 10 minutes, my trigger of this workflow is going to check my YouTube channel whether the new comment is posted or not. And if there is a new comment response there, it will automatically capture that response in the trigger. So that is why the instant capture of the response won't happen. Only according to the trigger time that you have set, the response will be captured. If you want to change the trigger time, go to the set trigger time option right over here. Set the trigger time accordingly from the drop down. Okay. Now we have the comment. Let's create the record of that comment in our Google Sheets. For that, we're going to set up Google Sheets, add new row step. Click on this connect option, add your connection, sign in with Google. Select the account with the help of which you have created a spreadsheet from here. Then it is asking for the access of the account, for which click on this allow button, as this is a safe process and my data is completely safe with Pabbly Connect. After the connection is created for the spreadsheet, I've created one in the name of YouTube comments and the sheet in the name of sheet 1. So I'll go back and select both the details right over here. After that, the headers that you've created in your spreadsheet is going to appear as fields inside Pabbly Connect. Now for the data of each field, we are going to use the process mapping. Mapping, just add a slash. Previous step is going to appear. Now selecting the data from the previous response is known as mapping. Okay, I want the name, so I'm going to search for the name right over here. Now this is the name of the person who have posted the comment. I'll select the data of the name from my previous response. That makes this data mapped, and as now this data is mapped, the data is now dynamic. In simple words, whenever the response of a new comment will be captured in the previous step, automatically the new data will be updated in place of this mapped data. In the similar manner, I will post the data, map the data of the ID of the video. With that, I'll map the date of the comment that is made right here. As soon as I've done that, now I'm going to simply click on the save and send test request button, and you will see automatically I've received this response, and in Google Sheets the record is going to be created. Same username. This is the video ID. You can tally it from here. Same ID with the same comment. So as now the comment is posted successfully in Google Sheets, the connection between these two applications is now completed. Now this is how you create this setup, and as a YouTuber, you should start using automation in order to automate the content processes of your content creation journey as well. Okay, and if you're a business owner and if you use YouTube in order to post the videos related to your business and you want that all the engagement should be there in Google Sheets, you can use the same setup for yourself as well. So this was it for this video, guys. If you have any questions or doubts, comment down below. I will reply to all your queries. Thank you all so much for watching.
Not just this connection, you can create multiple other automations using Pabbly Connect. If you want to know about the different plans that Pabbly Connect provides you, you can check out the link given over here. And if you have any queries related to it, you can email us on sales@pabbly.com. If you have any questions or doubts, comment down below and we'll reply to you as soon as possible. Subscribe to our channel and thank you so much for watching.